Welcome to Engage Math, Lesson 17, problem number 1. And we are trying to understand what makes a polynomial a polynomial. So one of the biggest things we have to see is that when we have various terms like we do in 1a, each of the terms has either a variable or just a number or a number times a variable. And the exponents on the variables, in this case, an exponent that I'm circling here of 2 and an exponent of 1 that's really on that k, even though we don't write it. The exponents really are positive or 0. So one way to say that is that the exponents on the variables have to be non-negative integers, which basically means 0, 1, 2, 3, so forth. So non-negative integers as exponents on variables. Okay, so 1a is yes, a polynomial because it fits all the criteria. Whereas b has an x in the denominator. The x in the denominator is really an exponent of -1. So we cannot have an exponent on the variable that's negative. So the answer for B is no. Let's move along to C. So in problem C, we have an exponent of 1/4. So the exponent of 1/4, because 1/4 is not an integer, we don't have our criteria that we listed in 1a where we said non-negative integers as exponents on variables. We don't even have an integer in part C as the exponent on the variable, which means we do not have a polynomial. So our answer to C is no. All right, thanks for joining us here today at Engage Math.